everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the 12 Days of Christmas from Simply Gilded. This is an advent calendar that she had put out and I loved doing this. It was super fun to open up something every day leading up till Christmas. That's kind of when I decided to do it. And yeah, so I just kind of wanted to share with you guys what was all in the advent calendar. So let's just dive in. So first, in the box, you got this beautiful little bag. It says 12 Days of Christmas. It has gold foil on there with a little snowflake. Super, super pretty. And then you get all of these boxes. So there is little bags for every day, and they all have a different pattern on the bag with a gold foiled number. And then on the back, they were closed with a gold foil juniper bunny. Super, super pretty packaging. Irene did a fantastic job with packaging all of these. So I'm going to start with number 1 and then kind of work my way down. So this is, I'm just going to push all these aside. Okay, so this is number 1 here. It has this really beautiful floral packaging here. So in this one we got 2 washi tapes. Oops, sorry. We got this floral washi that actually mimics this pattern in the bag, and it's got, I think, champagne gold foil. So we got the 10 millimeter and the 15 millimeter. I just have this white piece of paper here that I'll just swatch them on for you guys so you guys can see the different patterns easier. So we have the 10 millimeter and the 15 millimeter bows here. So pretty. So that was day number 1. Day number 2 came in this really pretty polka dot foiled bag, and inside was another washi tape, and it was this really pretty mint confetti with the silver dots. And I say this blue color is probably pretty similar to this. Now, not every bag has washi. Some had planner supplies, some had washi, and there wasn't really like a theme. So these kind of went together, but I felt like there wasn't a big theme overall. Once you see all the washi tape together, you'll kind of notice that. And I really liked that because if you didn't like, for example, the floral print or one of the elements in there, then you didn't have to kind of you would like your whole box then, because it was all the same. So I like how she did something completely different and they were all unique. Okay, so that was day number 2. Day number 3 is in this really pretty striped bag, and this is a notepad. So it has the phrase, the nice list on the top with gold foil, and then gold foiling checklist 1 to 10 down the bottom. And these are not sticky notes, but I do find they are super nice for your to-do list. I actually have one from her subscription box already that I keep on my desk, and it's really cute to jot down like your top 10 things to do at that time. So very cute. Number 4 is in this white bag, and we got a magnet with bow washi on the top. It's this really pretty pink sparkly magnet here, and I will definitely be sticking this on my planner card. Day number 5, we got 2 washis again in this beautiful, beautiful purple color. Now this has champagne gold foil, and I'll just lay them out here for you. Look how stunning that purple is. I love this color. So pretty, so vibrant. So that was day number 5. Day number 6 is this really pretty striped pattern. And then inside is a bow clip and a bow like clamp clip for like on the outside of your TN or like your rings or something. Now we've had these in the subscription boxes before, so I have gotten them before and they are very nice. Let me see here. So this is like the clip I'd put like on my outside of my TN or on a ring or something like that. And then this one here is like a paper clip. Very, very, very cute. I love the wide clip here and the gold hardware. So that was day number 6. Day number 7 has this pretty bow pattern. And we got another washi. This is a pale pink background with white swans with gold foiling and some flowers. Just swatch that for you. So pretty. Oh, I love that. Okay, day number 8 has this pink bag with the little flower at the bottom. And we got another washi. This is one of her vine washies, but in white background with silver foiling, which is really nice because I always like the white and silver because you can pretty much put it in any spread. So that is that one there. Will work so good with winter spreads. Number 9 is a starred bag. And this washi, you guys, is stunning. It goes from dark purple to this green color to light blue. Sorry, dark blue to green to light blue. And it has like constellations and stars on it. It's so, so pretty. Look at that, you guys. So pretty. And I think this is hollow foil, but it could be silver. I think hollow. So that was day number 9. Day number 10 here has 3 of her 5mm washi tapes. I just started getting into the 5mm myself. I wasn't sure how I would use them personally, but sometimes in my spreads I just need that little awkward space to fill, and I think these are perfect for that. So you have this real pale, like this greenish color, and then we have white with gold foil. Oh yeah, they all have gold foil. The green one does too. This white, and then this pretty pink color with the gold foil as well. They're so itty bitty, so cute. So that was day number 10. Almost done here. Day number 11 has this really pretty heart on there, and this washi. Isn't this color so fun? I love it. I think it's gonna be great for Valentine's Day. It's got the polka dots and then hollow foil on the washi. So, so cute. I love that color. And then day number 12 is, oh yeah, a keychain. I'll open this up for you because it is so pretty. So it has a heart as the main part of the keychain, and then she has her bow, a rose, and then juniper bunny on there in gold hardware. So, so pretty. I had one from her one subscription that had all these charms on there too, and I have it on my purse, and my dog freaks out absolutely every single time I even touch my purse. I don't know, I guess he doesn't like this sound, I guess. So I might take these off and then make them into planner charms, because my dog just goes psycho for them, so I don't know what else to put them on. So if you guys have more ideas on what to do with these keychains, please leave it in the comments down below, because I would love to hear your suggestions. Okay, so this is everything that I got in my advent calendar. I think it was a fantastic deal for what you all got. I loved opening up all these packages every day. It was just something super fun to open. I know my kids were doing advent calendars, and so it was kind of fun to do my own, and it was just a nice surprise every single day. So if she did one in next year, I will definitely be picking this up. I thought this was a fantastic deal. I loved everything in here, and I will definitely be using it all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!